So what is this?
Apple.
Apple. What about? Where is it now? What about this?
Muffin.
Muffin. What about this one?
Car.
Car. What color is the car?
Red.
Red.
Face.
Oh, sad face. Good job. It's sad face. Cry face. Cry face. What number is this?
5.
5. Correct. What number is this?
10.
10. Good job. What number is this? 3. Good job. What about this one?
7.
7. What about this? What number is this?
8. Muffin.
8. Ano si muffin? Oh yeah, muffin. Yum, 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 yum. What shape is this?
Oval.
Oval. Good job. What about this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good job. Triangle. Mama, see? Good job. Triangle.
Guitar.
Oh, a guitar. Good job, a guitar. What about... Now, what number is this?
Red face.
Yes, sad face. Worried face. Worried face. What about... Now, what number is this?
Red face.
Sad face. Can you show Mama your sad face? Good job. What number is this?
2.
2. Good job. What about this? What letter is this?
Penguin.
A penguin. Good job. What does a penguin say?
Penguin.
Quack, quack. What is this?
Dada.
Dinosaur.
Wow.
Roar. Dino. Yay. What number is this?
6.
6. And let's do that like that. What number is this?
9.
Good job. What is that? A star. Good job, star. What about this? What is this? Broccoli. What's that? A pizza. Yum, yum. We just had pizza earlier, hey? Papa bought us a pizza. Thank you, Papa, for the pizza. So what shape is this? Rectangle. Rectangle. What's the color of the rectangle? Purple. Good job. Hi, Bear. Tapos na siya. What about... What else? Oh, what about this? What is this? Elephant. What does the elephant say? Haru. Oh, what is this? Turtle. Good job. Turtle. Oh, what is this? What's that? It's a cat. Good job. Cat. What else? Oh, what is this? Towel. That's a towel. What else? What else do we have here? What is this?
Fish.
Fish. What is this?
Puppy.
Puppy. What does a puppy say? Woof woof. What about this one? What is this? What is the color of the boat? Ang ingay naman nila. Ang ingay naman nila. Oh, what is this? 1. Good job. 1 pink car. Oh, row your boat gently down the stream.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Can you say hi, Dada? Can you show your Dada the boat? Put it in. Dino in. Come on, dino in. Rectangle in. What is this? Oval in. Good job. What about... Move here. Move here. Hala siya mo. Oh, come on here. Move, mama. Move, mama. Garbage in. Garbage. That's not belong actually, but it's alright. What else? What is this again? Towel. Good job. What is the color of that towel?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Yellow.
Yellow.
Say oh, what is this?
Monkey.
What does a monkey say? Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ah. Oh, what is this?
Pizza.
Pizza. Yummy, yummy pizza for
Mana.
Familia. Good job. Familia. Put inside. Put in. Put in. Oh, what is this? Juice. Good job. Juice.
Apple.
Apple. Can you count apple? Well, there's a lot of apple here. Apple. Good job. Apple. What is this? Oh, I saw. What is this? Pomegranate. Can you say it? You can say it yet, hey? It's alright. It's all good. This one is down, up, down, up. Uh-oh, I drop it. It's okay. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Car number 3 in. Apple in. This is a part of the butterfly. What is the picture of this? Oh no, it's empty. Why? Why, fish? Why, fish? Oh, what is this? Owl. Good job. What does the owl say? Woo, woo, woo. Good job. Come on. What number is that? 8. Can I see at least? Mama, see. 8. Show to friends. 8. Good job, 8. What's that? Star. Good job, star. What about this? What does a bear say? Roar. Good job. What about this? Car. What does the car say? What about the horn? What does the horn say? What does the horn say? Beep, beep, beep. What about the door? The door. Open and shut. What about the wiper? Wish, wish, wish. All through the... Oh, what letter is this? What letter is this? Good job, V. Virginia, USA. V. Okay, bye-bye, friends na. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.